Okay, so first of all, you want to take Boost Me and spray it all over your roots, rub it in. This is really good for hair if it's soft at the root because it gives that hold for longer. And Prep Me is really good for the ends. Just spray all over the ends, not on your root, and just rub it through. And take your first section at the bottom of your head. I always use small brushes for the bottom of my hair, so you just touch it like this, and then you want to take it away, just like that. Just roll up, detach the brush, and pop a clip in to secure, just like that. I always find if you put the clips into the bottom, you won't get any lines at the top. No marks when you're taking them out. As I get round to the sides, I don't really like my hair really curly around my face, so I use the medium sized barrel, and it'll give you that extra volume around your sides. Right, and then before you get to the top section, I always move round to the next side. I think everybody worries about blowing their hair. They're like, how am I going to blow the back of it? It's really easy. Just section it down the middle and blow it to the sides. And then when you take the brushes out, you can just shake your hair down the middle and it'll get rid of the parting. So don't worry about. Another good tip as well, I find, if some people can't get the gist of holding the hairdryer and the brush at the same time, is you can just make sure your hair's almost dry, wrap your hair around the brush, take the handle off, and then you can just wax it off so it's fully dry, and then pop a clip in and then allow it to set, and that will also give you volume and a curl. And then take your top sections and your back sections, do these first. For the very top section, I use the medium or the large, depending on how big I want my hair. And you can set the barrels in whichever direction you prefer. I like my hair quite big on the side, so I set them to the sides, but you can set it to the back, and if you've got a fringe that you like blowing forward, you can set it to the front and then just split it when you take the brushes out. The barrels have all cooled down. I tend to leave it for about 20 minutes before I take them out, and then just remove the clip and slowly roll the barrel out, and then you can just smooth the ends like that, and you can see just how much bounce and volume you get in it. And as long as you've blown it right, it'll be nice and smooth and have a real good bounce on it on the ends. And then just repeat the process around the head. Do not drag them out. Because the ceramic brushes as well, they make your hair really smooth.